Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell from the title, I quit my main income earning job and moved to my granddad's farm. Enjoy this mini vlog of my stay and also stick to the end of the video as I go a little bit more in detail of why I made this decision. This is what my batter looks like. I'm going to put flour onto my bench and roll it out. That was very frustrating, guys. I didn't really like it, so I'm hoping that this next part is not going to be as mucky and annoying. I'll do that now. Wish me good luck. I don't know if they're good, but they look cute. They're a bit flat, unfortunately. So I think I didn't rest them long enough, which technically I didn't rest them at all. So, but hopefully Grandad likes them. He just bought cream from town. So I'm excited.
And everything, making funny noise. We're real close to make them look higher. So between this farm and my home farm at Marchville, we've got the records since 1912. 2.2 I'm going to go.
It's a lot later on in the day. I haven't filmed as much as I wanted, which is annoying, but that's just the way it is. I have done a lot of things, but they're all to do on the computer. I helped my granddad renew his race car license and also got him to go through his mail because he had so much mail. So I was helping him with that and he wanted to practice his basketball shots in the bin. So that was lovely. I now am going to go for a run since it is so beautiful. As you can see, the sun is gorgeous. Like, wow. Let's go running. Heading down there. Just walking first, and then I'll run. I've decided to come sit and watch, sit and watch a sunset because it is gorgeous and the sky is just so pretty. So guys, to end the video, I thought I'd share a bit more about why I am actually at the farm. Thought I'd give you like a little bit of a detailed explanation, but pretty much I quit my job and I moved to my granddad's farm. And when I say moved, I'm still going back and forth to Perth just like once a week. Now the reason why I wanted to go to the farm in particular is because I just wanted to spend time with my granddad. I haven't been up here since like for a really long time, for a while, other than my last vlog that I did of mushroom picking. I actually haven't been up here very often because I'm busy. I just wanted to come here and to spend time with my granddad, pretty much. Help him with whatever he needs help with. We were trying to get a car onto a trailer. He needed help with me opening a jar of peaches, so it's those kind of things that I'm like, oh, I can be needed here, so I'm happy to help with everything. Try to cook him meals, but he doesn't like any of my food, so that's that's a fail there, but that's all right. He likes my desserts I make, so I made scones the other day. Oh, I made scones on here, you guys would have seen. Yeah, he loved them. You're probably wondering, like, how do I afford to be away from work? Because obviously I'm probably not gonna go back to work for about maybe a month or so. Until my husband returns back from America, I'll probably stay here. How I can afford it pretty much is that I've saved everything, well, most of my money that I got from the work that I have done in the last 7 to 8 months. I think it's even been 9 months, and yeah, now I'm just using that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this style of vlogging. Now I'm going to be at the farm. I'm going to be trying to do a lot more vlogs here. That's to show the farm, its beauty, because this is like my childhood. Like, I used to live here when I was a kid, and so like I just want to show you like my favorite places, and it's just going to be simple vlogs that are not, I probably will have a little bit of editing, but you know, they're just like my daily life and being with my granddad, pretty much, making memories. That's it. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. Thanks so much for following along, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.